If you think vegetarian food is just boring salads and bland tofu, you're in for a game changer. What if I told you that you could make restaurant-quality vegetarian meals that are so rich, so flavorful, and so satisfying that even hardcore meat lovers won't believe they're plant-based? And guess what? These meals aren't just delicious, they're also super easy to make, packed with protein, and use simple ingredients you already have at home. But here's the catch. You have to stick around until the end because I'll be revealing one secret ingredient that chefs use to make vegetarian meals taste even better than meat-based dishes. So don't skip, don't click away, because once you try these recipes, you'll never look at vegetarian food the same way again. Why these meals are different? Look, we've all been there. You decide to try vegetarian food, and what do you get? A sad, flavorless salad. Overcooked, mushy vegetables. And meals that leave you hungry an hour later. But not today. Today, we're making vegetarian meals that are packed with bold flavors, because who wants bland food? Super satisfying, so you never feel like something's missing. Easy and quick, because no one has time for complicated recipes. And the best part? These meals are 100% beginner friendly, require zero fancy techniques, and are guaranteed to impress everyone, even die-hard meat eaters. So, are you ready? Let's get cooking. Recipe 1, the ultimate creamy garlic mushroom pasta. Imagine this. A steaming plate of perfectly cooked pasta, coated in a luxuriously creamy, garlicky sauce, with juicy, golden brown mushrooms bursting with umami flavor. Here's why this pasta is a must-try. The sauce is next level. We're using a dairy-free, ultra-creamy blend of cashews and garlic-infused olive oil for a rich, velvety texture. The mushrooms are game changers. We're cooking them with thyme, balsamic vinegar, and a touch of soy sauce to bring out deep, meaty flavors. A secret touch, a pinch of nutritional yeast gives the dish that cheesy, parmesan-like taste, without any dairy. One bite, and I promise, you'll never go back to plain Alfredo again. Recipe 2, smoky sweet potato and chickpea tacos. Vegetarian tacos that taste better than traditional ones. Yes. These crispy, spicy, and flavor-packed tacos are guaranteed to blow your mind. Here's what makes them special: crispy sweet potatoes, roasted until golden and caramelized, with a smoky spicy kick. Crunchy chickpeas, tossed in a mix of cumin, paprika, and chili powder for the perfect balance of heat and crunch. A creamy, refreshing slaw, shredded cabbage, fresh cilantro, and a zesty lime cashew dressing to balance all the flavors. Layer it all in warm tortillas, add some avocado, drizzle with a spicy chipotle sauce, and boom. You've got the most satisfying vegetarian tacos ever. Meat tacos. Who needs them? Recipe 3, the best ever homemade veggie burger. Forget everything you know about veggie burgers, because this one is on another level. Protein-packed and meaty, we're using a blend of black beans, walnuts, and mushrooms for that perfect hearty texture. Insanely flavorful, a mix of smoked paprika, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and mustard gives it a deep, smoky taste. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, cooked to perfection for that restaurant-quality bite. Serve it up with garlic aioli, fresh lettuce, and tomatoes on a toasted brioche bun, and you'll never touch a frozen veggie patty again. Recipe 4, 15-minute Thai peanut stir-fry. If you're short on time but want big, bold flavors, this is the dish for you. A creamy, rich peanut sauce, made with peanut butter, soy sauce, fresh ginger, and lime juice for that perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy. Colorful veggies, think crispy bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, stir-fried to perfection. Crispy tofu or tempeh, soaks up all the peanutty goodness, making this dish super filling and satisfying. Serve it over steamed jasmine rice or chewy udon noodles, and you've got a 5-star meal in under 15 minutes. Recipe 5, Cozy Lentil and Sweet Potato Shepherd's Pie. This is the kind of dish that warms your soul. Rich, hearty filling, lentils, mushrooms, and carrots simmered in a thick, savory sauce with balsamic vinegar for that deep, slow-cooked flavor. The ultimate mashed potato topping, a creamy blend of buttery sweet potatoes, a hint of garlic, and a touch of coconut milk. Baked to golden perfection, crisp on top, soft and creamy underneath, pure comfort in every bite. The secret ingredient that makes everything better. All right, here's the part you've been waiting for. The one ingredient that makes any vegetarian dish taste richer, deeper, and more satisfying is smoked paprika. This magic spice adds a deep, smoky umami flavor that makes vegetarian meals taste as bold and flavorful as any meat-based dish. Try it in soups and stews, roasted veggies, burgers and tacos, even mac and cheese. Once you use it, you'll never cook without it again. And there you have it, 5 insane vegetarian meals that taste better than takeout. Which one are you making first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you loved this, don't forget to like the video, share it with your foodie friends, subscribe for more game-changing recipes. Because next week, I'm dropping something even bigger. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!